In this video, we'll show you how to copy an item by itself or with multiple components. To do so, just come to one of the items lists and look at the Edit Add menu, come down to Copy Item. And if that item has multiple components, you can check with all components and that'll copy all the components as well, or you can choose to just select the item that you chose. And what this is going to do is copy the item itself with the images, the pictures, the pricing, the vendor, everything, to a new project that you choose from your project list, and you select an area that it goes into, and then you want to add it to a proposal possibly on that project. You can use your own numbering system if you have it, or you can uncheck this and let DesignerLogic do it for you. And then you choose the destination, either to go directly to that new item created on the new project, so you can adjust things like pricing and colors and things like that, or just save it and close it and go back to the page you were on. Now the new item that you create is completely its own item, so you can edit that item and it's not going to affect the original item at all. Now you can also do this from the details page. If you're on a details page, just come up to the main menu button and come down to the copy link and hit that. And you get the same form to open up where you can copy it, and if it has components, it will copy all the components as well.